Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot hear the dialogues in movies on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To resolve this issue, you have to press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, then go to all settings and select display and sound menu in here. After that, you have to go to the sound settings, and here you can enable the DAC for Dialogue Enhancer. At the very bottom, you can select the enhancement volume, the enhancement level, and this way apply it to your own preferences. And if it's still not enough, or if you don't like this Dialogue Enhancer, you can go to DTS Virtual and enable dialogue clarity in here. You can also enable DTS Pass enhancement, which will add some additional volume to your TV, which will definitely let you hear the dialogues from any corner of your room. And the Surround Virtualizer, which will also differentiate the voices of speakers around you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.